Here's the question. How can I get all the email that comes into one Gmail account automatically forwarded to my primary Gmail account? So I don't need to every day check 2 different email accounts. Let me show you how to do that. Here's my burrisconsulting@gmail.com account. I'm going to forward all of this mail to my teddyburris@gmail.com account. Show you the steps. Go to the sprocket. Go to see all settings. Right here, forwarding and pop. You got to add a forwarding address. So I'm going to add a forwarding address. I'm going to type in teddyburris@gmail.com. I'm going to hit next. Now it says confirm forwarding address. I'm going to hit proceed. So a confirmation link has been sent to teddyburris@gmail. I've got to go verify that. Let me go do that. Hang on a second. I'm going to close, hit OK. I'm going to stay right here. Let me go to the other account. Here's Teddy on Gmail. I'm going to hit refresh. And I think it's this message right here. It is. So all I have to do is, it's telling me that Burris Consulting has requested to forward mail to me with this confirmation code. I'm going to copy that. And please click the link below to confirm. I'm going to click that. By the way, I'm in teddyburris@gmail.com. I'm going to click this link per the instructions. Please confirm forwarding Burris Consulting at Gmail to teddyburris@gmail. Confirm. May now forward. So I can close that down. Now let me go back to Burris Consulting at Gmail where I want the messages to show up here. Go back here. So you can see I got to put that code here. I copied it. I'm going to hit verify. Boom. Now what has happened is because I added teddyburris@gmail and I verified it and confirmed it, I now have that sitting here for me to forward a copy of incoming mail. You can see I clicked on this dot, forward a copy of incoming mail to teddyburris@gmail. Now I have a couple options. I can keep the Gmail's copy in the inbox. I can mark Gmail's copy as read. I can archive it, a copy, or I could delete the copy that's in here at Burris Consulting. I'm going to mark it as read. And then now I got to do is hit save. Now it tells me I'm forwarding my mail to teddyburris@gmail. This notice will end. The notice will end, but the forwarding will keep going as long as I leave it on. Now let me test this to make sure it works. Let me go to one of my other accounts. I'm going to send an email to BCI. There it is. Testing. I'm going to hit send. Now, I'm going to go look at BCI. There's the message in my inbox at Burris Consulting at Gmail, and it's marked as read. Now, I'm going to go see if it showed up at teddyburris.com, which is what I expect based on the forwarding. And there's the message in teddyburris@gmail.com. Bottom line, it's pretty straightforward. You go to settings, go to forwarding, make sure you add an email address, validate and verify you have access to that email address, get the code, and then once you set it up, all the messages, and you turn on forwarding, all the messages that come into this email account will be forwarded to the other Gmail account. The only thing you have to be careful of is that doing this does not allow you to completely ignore this account, because if you don't log into this account at least once a year or so, Google could very well deactivate this account. So make sure you come in here every now and then, and so that Google sees that you are using this Google account again, or it could be subject to being deleted. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. Hope this is helpful for you.